calling from the Mexican wake-up call service. I am your Mexican alarm clock. Hello?
Hello?
Hola, this is Scottiman and I'm calling from Mexican wake-up calls. I am your Mexican alarm clock. I'm trying to wake you up because you signed up for a service.
No, I
Are
didn't.
you awake yet?
No, I'm not.
You fucking fuckers are gonna do what I say, or I will put my goddamn foot so far up your assholes you will rue the day you crawled out of your mother's tw-
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. The sun in the sky has a smile on his face, and he's shining a salute to the American race. Oh boy, it's swell to say, good morning, USA. Good morning, USA.
Well, there's a man in black burning up the track. Don't need a mirror 'cause he never looks back. Driving the wind, not just a place. A 7-time champ, he was born to race. His daddy lit the flame, he drives just the same. There ain't no denying the Earnhardt name. Behind the wheel since he was a boy. The hot rod Chevy was his very first toy. He's keeping the family tradition alive. Runs it wide open every time he drives. Old number three's gonna creep you like a gator. Don't look now, it's the Intimidator. His record leaves no doubt what racing's all about. Rookie of the year, his first time out. Feared by many, fears no one. The winner circles waiting when the race is won. So look out, y'all, never mind the wall. This hard-charging driver's here to take it all. His daddy's smiling from up above, while his youngins look on with that same kind of love. He's keeping the family tradition alive. Runs it wide open every time he drives. Old number three's gonna creep you like a gator. Don't look now, it's the Intimidator.
Charming, rough neighborhood, isn't it? Lewis, I'm going to start a screaming match with that black gentleman down on the sidewalk. Hey, get away from my steps, motherfucker! Hey, fuck your mama! Fuck your mama, asshole! Fuck you! Fuck you back! Oh, well, that was fun.
7-time Winston Cup champion, car 3, Dale Earnhardt.
Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way up, way up, way up, way up. Now there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Is that my phone? No, 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 no. Oh, better go get that. Ooh, you got some pie, eh? Can I have a piece? Sure. Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip. What'd you say? You can't have a pie without Cool Whip. Cool Whip? Cool Whip, yeah. You mean Cool Whip? Yeah, Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. You're saying it weird. Why are you putting so much emphasis on the H? What are you talking about? I'm just saying it. Cool Whip. You put Cool Whip on pie. Pie tastes better with Cool Whip. Say whip. Whip. Now say Cool Whip. Cool Whip.